Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging question from Stanford Math Tournament 2022. So let's get started. Given that x belongs to real numbers, we have a square root in RHS. So we can think about squaring both sides. So we will cancel a square root with a square from right hand side, and we will write equation x square equal to 2022 plus square root 2022 plus x. Now we will take this 2022 to the LHS and get x square minus 2022 equal to square root 2022 plus x. Again we have a square root. We will consider squaring both sides. So I will put here part 2. So in the RHS, square root and square will get over from right hand side. We will write equation x square minus 2022 whole square in left hand side and 2022 plus x in right hand side. Now we are going to subtract x square from LHS and RHS. In left hand side we have a square minus b square form. So we can use difference of two squares identity, which is a plus b times a minus b for a square minus b square. So we'll write here x square minus 2022 plus x in first bracket, and in second bracket x square minus 2022 minus x. From right hand side we will take minus 1 or minus common. So there would be x square minus x minus 2022 in the bracket. Now we will take all the terms to LHS and get equation x square plus x minus 2022 times x square minus x minus 2022 plus x square minus x minus 2022 equal to 0. Now we have x square minus x minus 2022 overall common. So we'll write x square minus x minus 2022 overall common. So in other bracket we will get x square plus x minus 2022 plus 1 equal to 0. Or we can write x square minus x minus 2022 times x square plus x minus 2021 equal to 0. Now we can think about product zero rule. We will say either x square minus x minus 2022, this should be 0, or x square plus x minus 2021, this should be equal to 0. Now we have two quadratic equations. We can think about quadratic formula. So let me consider first equation here. As per our equation, a is coefficient of x square 1, b is coefficient of x minus 1, c is constant minus 2022. We know quadratic formula in terms of a, b, c. X equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. We have a, b and c. Let's figure out solutions of first quadratic equation. I will write x equal to minus b, so minus of minus 1, 1 plus minus square root of b square minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 2022. We will get 0.88 over 2 times 1, so 2, which will be equal to 1 plus minus square root 8089 over 2. So we have first two real solutions. Now we will take up second quadratic equation. X square plus x minus 2021 equal to 0. I will write x square plus x minus 2021 equal to 0. As per our equation, a is 1, which is equal to b also, and c is constant minus 2021. So we will get x equal to minus b, minus 1 plus minus the square root. B square is 1 square 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 2021 will be equal to 8084 over 2 times 1 is 2. So we can write x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus a square root 8085 over 2. So we have 4 real solutions in total. Let me write all the 4 solutions over here. I will write here 1 plus square root 8089 over 2. Then we have 1 minus square root 8089 over 2. Then we have minus 1 plus square root 8085 over 2. And last root is minus 1 minus square root 8085 over 2. Now we will talk about domain of the equation. So let me write equation x equal to square root of 2022 plus square root of 2022 plus x. We have square root in right hand side, which suggests left hand side must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. From right hand side, this quantity must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. Now if x equal to 0 and we are plugging x equal to 0 in right hand side, we can say our LHS x should be greater than square root of 2022 plus square root of 2022. Now we know square root 2022 is 44.966. Let's find decimal value. So I am writing square root 2022 plus square root 2022 is 44.966. Now we will add up these two numbers and get square root 2066.966, which will give us x should be greater than 45.4639. So our domain is not x greater than 0. It is x should be greater than 45.4639. Then only we will have real values of x. So first of all, we will reject second and last solution. Why? Both are negative. These two solutions we will reject immediately since it is negative value. Now we have to find decimal value of 1 plus square root 8089 over 2. So its approximate decimal value is 45.4694. And if we will find approximate value of minus 1 plus square root 8085 over 2, it is 44.458. And if we will check as per our domain, then this number 45.4694 is greater than 45.4639. So we are going to accept this one and we are going to reject this one. So the only real value of x which will satisfy our equation, that is x equal to 1 plus square root 8089 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.